In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save presets in Luminar Neo. If you want a faster, more consistent editing workflow, presets are the way to go. They let you capture your exact look, your exposure tweaks, color grading, and AI enhancements so you can reuse that style on other images with a single click. Start by opening a photo in Luminar Neo. With your image loaded, head over to the Edit tab. This is where you'll build the look you want to save. Make your adjustments as you normally would. Fine-tune exposure and contrast, balance highlights and shadows, adjust color temperature and saturation, and use any AI tools you rely on for things like detail, structure, noise reduction, or relighting. Take your time to get it right. A good preset reflects a look you'll want to repeat, so small refinements now will pay off later. One important note here. If you haven't made any changes yet, the option to save a preset may be unavailable. That's expected. Luminar Neo needs at least one edit to know what to save. As soon as you apply adjustments, you're good to move on. When you're happy with the result, open the Actions menu, often shown as 3 dots in the interface. Choose Save as Preset. You'll be prompted to give your preset a name. Use something clear and descriptive so you can find it later. Think about the vibe or conditions like warm film soft or moody low key. If you use multiple versions, consider adding a short tag to help you stay organized. Then click Save. Your preset is now stored and ready to use whenever you need it. To find your saved presets, switch to the Presets tab and open My Presets. This is the library of all the custom looks you've created. From here, you can manage them as your style evolves. You can rename a preset if you refine your naming system, delete any that you no longer use, and edit a preset later if you want to update the look with new adjustments. A quick recap of the essentials. Make your edits first, because that's what the preset captures. Then save it through the Actions menu with a clear name, and access everything under My Presets in the Presets tab. Presets store all your adjustments, color, exposure, and effects, so you can keep your results consistent and your workflow efficient. That's all there is to it. Once you get into the habit, saving presets will feel like a natural part of your editing process.